Did you know that an estimated 70% of households report experiencing smelly drains at least once each year? It's a surprisingly common nuisance, and yet it's one that often gets overlooked until the odor becomes impossible to ignore. Smelly drains aren't just unpleasant. They can disrupt the comfort of your home, make kitchens and bathrooms feel less inviting, and even indicate underlying issues in your plumbing that need attention. Addressing drain odors promptly is about more than just reclaiming freshness. It's about safeguarding your home environment and preventing bigger problems down the line. So, why do drains smell in the first place? Let's break down the main culprits behind this all-too-familiar problem. First, there's food buildup. In kitchen sinks, tiny bits of food waste can cling to the sides of your pipes, slowly decomposing and creating a foul stench. Even if you're diligent about rinsing your dishes, some residue inevitably slips through. Next, grease and fats are notorious for sticking to pipes, trapping other debris, and accelerating bacterial growth. Over time, this can create a thick, sticky lining in your drain, which not only smells bad, but can also cause blockages. Speaking of bacteria, these microscopic organisms thrive in moist, dark environments like drains. As they break down organic material, they release gases responsible for those unmistakable rotten egg or musty odors. And finally, sometimes the problem isn't even inside your pipes. Dried-out plumbing traps can also let sewer gases waft up into your home, turning an otherwise clean room into a source of unpleasant smells. Now that we've identified the most common causes, let's explore practical ways to freshen up your drains and keep odors at bay. Fortunately, there's a wide range of solutions, from simple, everyday fixes to more advanced methods. Let's start with some tried-and-true DIY remedies that you can use with items you probably already have at home. One of the easiest approaches is the classic baking soda and vinegar combo. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of white vinegar. The chemical reaction helps to break down buildup, neutralize odors, and leave your pipes smelling fresh. For best results, let the mixture sit for about 15 minutes before flushing with hot water. Another handy option is pouring boiling water down the drain. This can help dissolve grease and flush away smelly residue, though it's best used for metal pipes rather than PVC, which can warp under high heat. If you're dealing with a particularly stubborn odor, salt and ice can be surprisingly effective, especially in garbage disposals. Simply toss a handful of ice cubes and a generous amount of coarse salt into the disposal, then turn it on for a few seconds. The combination scrubs the blades and clears away debris, leaving the unit cleaner and fresher. For bathroom sinks, a mixture of lemon juice and baking soda can add a pleasant scent while tackling grime. The citrus acts as a natural deodorizer and leaves behind a clean, zesty aroma. Of course, DIY methods are just one part of the equation. There's also a wide selection of store-bought products designed specifically to tackle smelly drains. Enzyme-based cleaners are especially popular. They use natural enzymes to break down organic matter and stop odors at the source. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, enzyme solutions are generally safe for all types of pipes and environmentally friendly. Look for products marketed as drain fresheners or odor eliminators for an easy, hassle-free solution. If you're looking for a quick fix, drain cleaning gels or foams can be poured directly into the drain to dissolve clogs and neutralize smells in minutes. In addition to these cleaning techniques, prevention plays a key role in keeping your drains fresh. Make it a habit to avoid pouring grease or oil down your sinks. Instead, collect it in a container and dispose of it with your regular trash. Use drain screens to catch food scraps and hair before they enter the pipes, and clean these screens regularly. Flushing your drains with hot water once a week can help keep buildup at bay, while monthly treatments with baking soda and vinegar provide a gentle, ongoing defense against odors. For bathroom drains, be mindful of soap scum and hair, which can accumulate and create a breeding ground for bacteria. A simple brush or pipe cleaner can help keep things flowing smoothly. But what if you need a fast, foolproof way to eliminate drain odors right now? Based on extensive homeowner feedback and plumbing expert recommendations, the combination of baking soda and vinegar stands out as one of the most effective home solutions. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, pour half a cup of baking soda into the drain. Next, add half a cup of white vinegar. Immediately cover the drain with a plug or cloth to contain the fizzing reaction. Wait 15 minutes to allow the mixture to break down residue and neutralize odors. Finally, flush the drain with a kettle full of boiling water to wash away loosened debris. This method is safe, inexpensive, and works for most types of drains in both kitchens and bathrooms. For persistent or recurring odors, don't hesitate to repeat the treatment or try an enzyme-based cleaner for deeper cleaning. If the smell lingers despite your efforts, it could be a sign of a more serious plumbing issue, such as a blocked vent pipe, broken trap, or sewer line problem. In these cases, it's wise to consult a professional plumber to diagnose and address the root cause. Let's recap the key points we've covered today. Smelly drains are a common household issue, but they're not something you have to live with. Understanding the causes, food buildup, grease, bacteria, and dried plumbing traps, empowers you to tackle odors effectively. Whether you opt for easy DIY solutions like baking soda and vinegar, or try specialized store-bought products, regular maintenance and proper prevention are your best allies in keeping your drains fresh. And remember, the fastest, most effective home solution is the baking soda and vinegar technique, which neutralizes odors quickly and safely. Keeping your drains fresh isn't just about improving the smell, it's about creating a healthier, more inviting home for yourself and your family. A little regular care goes a long way, saving you from costly repairs and ensuring that your kitchen and bathroom remain pleasant spaces. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more practical solutions for common household problems, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more expert advice and enjoy a fresher, cleaner home every day.